guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing hydroflasks. So these are all the hydroflasks that I have made. This is the first one, which was made out of an old My Life water bottle with some hot glue, paint, Mod Podge, and paper clip. And then the next one we have is made out of one of those like candy soda cans. Same materials, it's a bit smaller. And then this is another one, which I used from paper. If you can see, I used lined paper. And especially with lighter colors like this, it's harder. And if you mix your own paint like me, there's a color difference. Also, I felt as if it didn't suit doll's hands. And felt as if it was a bit small. So, I trashed that one. I also have a green one with that. This is my next one. Instead of making it with what I made it there, I made it with some cardstock, but the problem with the cardstock is it's really thick, so I got a really bad line here. Otherwise, it looks really great. Don't color the inside. I did that, and now around here is black. And then my last attempt, I tried hot glue to smooth it back. It's very uneven and it's a very rough edge, although I do really like the color. And all the handles for those and this are foam. I do prefer the metal handle though, but today we'll make it with foam. So that leads us to today's. So for today, you're going to be needing cardstock, masking tape or washi tape, hot glue, a glue stick, a mini one to be specific, foam, Sharpie, black paint, and then your color of choice paint, and regular white copy paper, and Mod Podge. So for the base, I just took my cardstock and wrapped it around a little glue stick 2 times, and then I secured it with hot glue in the back and then covered it in masking tape, because I feel as if it smooths down the line and it makes it less noticeable rather than doing it with the hot glue here on this one and just letting it be on that one. And then I made the bottom white, although you can make it black and any other colors. Now this is taller than some of the other ones. You can make it really any height you wanted. I wanted to have a taller one because I have a tall white one covered in stickers and you know, like that size almost. And now you just want to paint it. Alright guys, so mine has finished drying. I didn't paint the bottom, but we'll get to that later. This is currently matte, as you can see, compared to the other ones. It's you know, it's doesn't look as good. It doesn't look shiny. So we'll do the Mod Podge coat later, but first we need to get started on the top. So the top's removable. This is my first prototype of the paper tube one, and I did it with lined paper, but it's just easier to manipulate. And with the fact of these being plastic and not being able to remove the top, I like to have a removable top. So we have a sheet of regular paper and cardstock. So first you're going to want to wrap the cardstock around it, but make sure it's not like fully secure, otherwise you'll never be able to get it off. And then you want to, like, if you want to, you can go over it using this, or you can just use like multiple layers of these, but I might use both or just the cardstock one. And then we'll move on to painting it and adding the handle and doing the full Mod Podge coat. Alright guys, so I made my top and it will just slides right on. No, can't do it one-handed though. But basically, we're going to do a Mod Podge layer on this, and because my paint was so lightly colored, I had to do 2 coats. But we're just going to paint this black and make sure you have some black foam to make the strap out of, or you can paint it too, and I'm just going to do that mainly because I don't have any black ones right now. So yeah, we're just going to go back to painting and see how it turns out. You know, like, it just looks crazy good. You just slide the top off. I didn't paint the inside, but you can if you want to. on and off. I love the color. It's where's the bottle? It's this is Wisteria blue / glycerin blue, whatever. It's supposed to be a blue, but I think it's more purple. Like, I don't have anything to compare it to here. I don't know. Like, here. This is my hot glue fingertip. It's purple, right? It looks purple. I don't know. On the viewfinder, it doesn't really look purple. Whatever, I think it's purple. Anyways, this is like the best craft ever, and it's great to give away. I also, like, no, it's great. If you want to, you can add the Hydroflask logo. I'm not, mainly because I don't really feel like it, and I don't want to mess this up. Like, I've messed other stuff up. So, yeah. Also, if you want the handle not to be so bendy, you can add multiple layers of Mod Podge, or take, like, a paper clip, bend it into this shape, and then hot glue it, and add Mod Podge, and paint it. But yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you really want to. And if you want to get notifications of when I upload my next video, make sure you turn on the little notification bell thingy. And I'll see you next time. Bye!